What is up, scooter heads? Hey, I hope you guys are all having a great week. This week, I will be installing the Puig windscreen on my 2021 Honda CBR 500. This is the smoke gray double bubble windscreen. And so what I'll be doing is removing the Oem windscreen. There are 4 screws that go to take off the original windscreen. Once everything's unscrewed, take your time when removing the windscreen from the Oem windscreen. Just make sure nothing gets stuck and you don't want anything to get lost or cracked as you take that off. As you can see, it's going to take a little bit of working and finessing to get the original Oem windscreen off of the bike. So as you can see, I got this one, I got that one in there. So here, you're gonna wanna go in from the bottom when you're putting these in, because this cushion on the bottom of this is not gonna fit up in the other way. So make sure you go in from the bottom here, like this. Take your time when installing the aftermarket windscreen. Just don't make sure you don't scratch anything, but it's pretty straightforward. Make sure everything's lined up appropriately. Just take your time when you're screwing everything back in. I use the Oem screws. They have got Allen key heads on them, and so I just use those. I did have a couple situations where the grommet fell out of the Puig windscreen while I was screwing it in. So just be mindful of that. Keep an eye on everything. Make sure you don't lose anything. Just taking the stickers off. I'm gonna do a quick wipe down, do a quick spot check. The Puig windscreen came with a Puig sticker, racing sticker. I'm not putting that on my windscreen. I'm looking for a Honda decal for that. So there's the finished product here. I think it came out pretty good. I also put on my tank grips. So I've got 2 on the side and then 1 on the tank. And then at this point, I hadn't put on the other one, but they're both on there now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will continue to post. Can't wait for spring so I can get on this bike and really start getting it on. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to check you on the next one. Peace, y'all.